Hello and happy Juneteenth, my friends. Ellen here. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all a traditional Juneteenth beverage and the perfect drink for the summer. We're going to make strawberry soda. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. Thebomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of strawberry goodness. Perfect for your Juneteenth dinner. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And my previous video, fresh strawberry pie. I'll post links to those down below in the description box. So grab your water, your fresh strawberries, and your club soda sugar, because we're about to make some strawberry soda magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first thing we're going to do is make our strawberry syrup. In my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. We're going to add in a pound of fresh strawberries that I diced and rinsed. And we're going to add in 1.5 cups of white sugar. Two and a half teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And 1.5 cups of water. Give this a quick stir. And all we do is bring the strawberries to a simmer. Alright my friends, our strawberries have simmered. So now we're going to let them cook until the strawberries are softened. Alright my friends, our strawberries is nice and soft. So now I'm going to mash them. Smells good. So all we do now, let them continue simmering until it thickens and syrupy. Alright my friends, our strawberry syrup is nice and thick. That looks great. So now I cut my fire off. There's one more ingredient we're going to add to it. Going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract and stir this in. It's going to give it a nice strawberry boost to it. So now I'm going to strain my strawberry syrup and get rid of the excess pulp, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through straining my syrup, and it gave us 1.5 cups. So all we do now is let it cool completely, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, everything's nice and chill. We're ready to make our strawberry soda. Over here in my mason jars, I fill them up with ice. And I'm going to pour in some cold club soda. Now we're going to add the cold strawberry syrup. And now for the final touch. I'm going to add a strawberry and 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Homemade strawberry soda. Doesn't it look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Alright, here we go. Cheers. I'm in strawberry heaven. It is so crisp and refreshing. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give the strawberry soda a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Strawberry so delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern Kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Much love, stay safe, and happy Juneteenth. Cheers! Mm-mm.